I know it's not for me to tell you for you to know, but your favorite host will still give you IPL updates. Royal Challengers Bangalore are on a roll as they have won 3 out of 3 matches as they beat KKR to claim the top spot in the points table. We also heard the Gabbar roar as he hit 49 balls 92 as Delhi chased down a humongous 195 run target posted by Punjab at the Wankhede.
पहले तो ये शो को सब ना साइड में रखते हैं और बैठकर सोचते हैं कि भाई चेन्नई में हो क्या रहा है. वॉट एवर यू डू यू कैन नॉट चेज इन चेन्नई दिस सीजन यार. आफ्टर द फर्स्ट मैच व्हेन आरसीबी वन then no team could win while chasing. फिर एसआरएच आ रहा, केकेआर हारा, फिर वापस दो बार एसआरएच आ रहा, फिर वापस केकेआर आ रहा. I don't know if it's just a SRH and KKR thing. While chasing in Chennai, you never win. What I'm gonna do is just sing that it's Chennai, Chennai, Chennai. Yo, you cannot chase it here. No. So now what's gone is gone. Let's come into the present. You are experiencing your Monday blues, aren't you? But when life gives you a Monday, then do not miss your IPL is what we will suggest. यही चीज याद दिलाने के लिए तो हम आए हैं. Come on, guys. Cheer up. This is going to be a fantastic week for you. We have blockbusters coming this week. IPL is going to be crazy as ever. Endless matches over matches, non-stop thrillers is what India likes to see, and that's exactly what we present to you in this show we fondly call as Soft Signal. I am Shrijit Iyer, and this is episode number 9. Let's have a look at the match coming up for today. It's a match between the keeper captains. It's between the Royals and the Kings. It's the yellow taking on the pink at the Wankhede. We have CSK taking on the Rajasthan Royals. What we also have is our two important panelists. We have my old friend Shantanu supporting the old CSK. We also have Shubham with us. Without further delay, let's go to the very first round we call as रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. As a रिवाज, we will go to our debutant Shantanu first. Shantanu, why do you think CSK राजस्थान का बाप है?
Okay, so talking about the current form, I feel Chennai has an upper hand over Rajasthan. Rajasthan somehow managed to win that game thanks to Chris Morris, but then we have some good death bowlers as well. We have DJ Bravo, we have Shardul Thakur who is in form when it comes to India and England. And also, when it comes to batting, we have Moeen Ali, who is in good form. Suresh Raina showed some glimpse of his old days. So it's overall a good team effort. The first match didn't click, I know, but then in second match they regrouped and they did very good jobs. So I feel like we have an upper hand over Rajasthan.
I cannot agree with you more because I am a CSK fan as well. Let's go to Shubham now. Why do you think Rajasthan Royals is back of CSK?
Okay, Rajasthan are coming back with a sweet victory. RR will unfortunately miss the service of Ben Stokes, but as they say, if one man's fortune, it's another man's opportunity. So two South Africans, Miller and Morris, rescued RR from that loss to and produce a victory. For me, special knock was from Miller because Miller played an important knock over there. If he could have thrown his wicket, then RR would possibly have lost that match. So in bowlers, I think Unadkat and Sakaria are doing fantastic job. So yes, I'm positive about RR for today's win.
Shubham is extremely positive about his team, that he's saying that Rajasthan Royals will win tonight's match with Chennai Super Kings. इस धमाकेदार फर्स्ट राउंड के बाद हम डिले क्यों करेंगे, हम सीधा जाएंगे सेकेंड राउंड पर जिसका नाम है राहुल. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. वापस हम शांतनु की तरफ जाते हैं कि आपके सीएसके का राहुल नाम तो सुना ही होगा, प्लेयर हमें बताइए.
It's definitely going to be Moeen Ali. He got a wicket last match and he's in good form. So for me, it's definitely Moeen Ali.
The all-rounder Moeen Ali is your Rahul. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. It's an interesting pick. Let's go to Shubham now, to Rajasthan Royals. Please tell us who is your Rahul. नाम तो सुना ही होगा player.
Okay, my Rahul would be Josh Butler. He's a great opener. The Ben Stokes, if anybody could fill his spot, then it has to be Josh Butler. He loves to play against CSK. He has scored total 216 runs with an average of 72 and with a strike rate greater than 150. He loves to play against CSK, as the stat says. I hope he will get a triple figure in today's match.
Josh Butler is who will fill in the shoes of Ben Stokes is what Shubham believes. It was a fantastic ground. It's time for me to pepper you with some short balls now. Let's go to Shantanu first. I'm going to ask you a question. You have traded Uthappa in your team and as well as spent quite a few money on Krishnappa Gautam. The top order, as we know, is not firing. So what changes do you see in the coming match? Will a 9 crore worth Krishnappa Gautam get a place in your playing 11? What do you think?
I don't think tomorrow he'll find a place, but considering the tournament being long, there are chances few players might get injured. So he would definitely be a part of a team at some day, but not tomorrow. Talking about Robin Uthappa, if Ruturaj Gaikwad fails next two games, he would definitely be a part of team. I don't think Faf would be dropped at any point because he's a brilliant outfielder. So he will contribute in fielding if he doesn't contribute in batting. So I feel Faf is one of the main pillars of our team. So he'll be there, and rest of the batsmen might change. There are chances Ambati Raidu might get dropped. In place of him, we may include Robin Uthappa as well.
So Dhoni will be believing the existing playing 11 is what Shantanu is saying. Let's go to Shubham now. After Stokes is gone, RR now clearly lacks an explosive lower middle order. It also lacks a genuine finisher. How will they chase down huge scores if the players of the likes of Sanju Samson does not score?
Okay, RR do have a strong lower or middle order that I feel. But the concern for me is Indian players who are batting lower down the order, especially Riyan Parag and Rahul Tewatia. They don't had a great outing in last two matches. I think Sanju should use them in top order to have some time on the crease so that they will regain their form. So yes, looking forward for their form.
Shubham, this answer will surely generate some hope in the minds of RR fans. Let's move to the final round where our panelists will show us what they got in their Fantasy 11 team. Let's go to Shantanu first. Show us what you got, Shantanu.
Okay, so this is my team. Like I have gone with three all-rounders, three batsmen, couple of keepers, and three pacers. Being Wankhede, the spinners are not getting the assistance they need. So I've gone with three bowlers and Morris and Sam Curran who are bowling all-rounders. So I've gone for them also. So this is my team for today's game.
This is not clear from your team that you do not trust spinner in Wankhede. It's an extremely reliable team that you have chosen with a mix of good all-rounders and bowlers. You have trusted Wankhede again. Let's go to Shubham now. Please show your team.
So this is my team. Josh Butler would be my captain. Moeen Ali vice captain because I think Moeen Ali is in great form for CSK. In all-rounder, I have Chris Morris, Riyan Parag, and in batting, I have Raina, Faf du Plessis, Vora. In bowling, I have Chahar, who had a great last match, along with Sakaria and Rahman.
Both of you have trusted the exactly same players for your captain and vice captain is what I can see. I'm sure our followers will have something to take away from this team. It's time to wrap up, guys. We have now come to the very end of our show. If you love what we do, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name of the channel is Soft Signal. Comment down below your favorite picks and also follow our Instagram page. The details are given in the video. Thank you so much.